वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलाम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ramkrishna, air veteran, author and life coach. Welcome to my channel Redefine Life with Dr. RK. At the outset, I would like to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. As we celebrate the 72nd Republic Day, we pay tributes to all the known, unknown and unknowable people who have contributed and sacrificed their lives for the freedom of this nation. On the 72nd Republic Day, there is something more need to be done other than just remembering the people who are responsible for this free nation and paying tributes to them. This is only one side of the coin. The other side of the coin requires a lot of mind shift and a lot of realignment to the qualities that are required to be a citizen of this country. Let us move ahead and ask ourselves three important questions. The first question is, I am proud of India. That's very good. But is the India proud of the Indian in me? This requires a in-depth analysis of our behavioral aspects, of our responsibilities as a citizen, of our justifying potential to the extent what we can explore within ourselves, and also in making a very good citizen of ourselves. Whether the India is proud of the Indian in me, that is the first question which we need to ask ourselves. The second question is, are we really contributing in making this country proud? Are we really honest to the core? Are we discharging our responsibilities to the extent what we can do? Are we justifying the roles that have been assigned to us? Let be an entrepreneur. Let be a politician. Let be an employee. Are we justifying the role that has been given to us? And the most importantly, are we on the right path, the corruption-less path? So the second question is, how are we contributing for the country to develop in the world? The third question, which is very important, is that, are we uplifting any other human being? Yes, friends, human being is the only creature on this planet who can uplift another human being. And take an example of any other creature. If there is an elephant in a village, it cannot uplift any other elephant in another village. Or you take it for any other creature. So human being is the only creature on this planet who has been given this privilege to uplift another human being. So the third question, are we striving to uplift another human beings around us? So on this auspicious day, let us ask these three questions and try to find answers within ourselves and realign ourselves to the qualities that are expected from a good citizen of this proud nation. And let us make this country proud. Thank you and Jai Hind.
वन्दे